Hi viewers, are you really in a problem and in a tension that with whom your child or your wife, your husband, your boyfriend or girlfriend talk a lot of time, and here it is, now it's a real time for you guys to make a spy for them and get safe from there. So how you can just really get all the contact number with whom these people really contact a lot of time, and with whom these people they call, and by that you can also get the contact number of that people too. So how you can do this in this video, guys, I'm gonna show you within a details, guys. So in this video, without further ado, let's get started my that video. Before just starting my that video, I request you, please don't use this for any bad intention. Please use this if you need for a good time. So start my that video. Before just starting that, another request for you, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get all the notification in the future. And if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start my that video with you guys. Okay guys, to do this here, first of all you need to install an app in your Android mobile phone. So I need to go to in the Google Play Store, and you also get that in the Google Play Store. The app is the E2 PDF, the backup restorer of SMS and alerts. So here it is, guys. After that you need to installing it, and here from you will get that there. So first of all, open up it there in your Android mobile phone, and now you need to check up it there. I have read and agree with term of use. Now click on the proceed. Now click on the click to continue in the second. That means the PDF backup printable. Now click on the click to continue, and from here you will get a lot of options. From here you need to go to in the general call log to get all the call logs details from here. So here it is, guys. Here you can get the call log details of that which is still now contained in that mobile phone. So from here you can starting date, and you can select the starting date and the ending date. So from here, suppose that I want to get the data from January 1 2019 to the October 31st 2019. So here it is, guys. I just select it from here, and here it is, guys. It's okay. Now here you need to give a PDF file name is there as it is as you wish. So here it is, guys. I just give a PDF file name. Now click on the export to PDF, and here it is, guys. You need to give a permission to that. Now click on the allow. This, guys, the file has just created. Now I need to open up it there from here, and you can open up it with your WPA software, or I just go to in the file manager from here. So from here I need to go to on that file manager. Now click on the internal storage, and from here I need to go to the down, and here you'll get that E2 PDF here. So here from you need to open up it there. So I just click on there, and here it is, guys. This is the file which I want from here. These are the file. So here it is, you get the first name, then the phone number, then the time, and then the duration is, guys. So by that way you can get all the phone numbers, contact details of that person, but here you need to take the mobile phone of that specific person in your hand for at least 2 to 3 minutes to download that app here, install it, and then just make that query, and here you will get a portable PDF file is there, and now you can carry on it in your mobile phone, and you can just check it there as it is easily, guys. So by that way you can get all the contact data of that specific people in your Android mobile phone is there. So here it is, guys. This is the way by which you can get it there, and it's really easy for you guys. So I hope so it's really easy for you guys, and again request you, please don't use this for any bad target. So here it is, guys. This is the ending of my that video. I hope so you get solve your problem by that my video, and so on, guys. So no more today. I have to go for my next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.